Hello session netizens, welcome back to my channel. My name is Christine. I am glad you could make it here. So today's video is about stuff you should know, and these are things that I've come across the last few days. And one of them is CSR, community social responsibility. I hope that's what it means. So we know it's the festive season where every company, every organization wants to give back to the society, and one way of giving back to the society is visiting orphanages or children's homes, if you like. And I think it's a very noble idea, but we don't stop to think about what these one-off visits do to these children. You are only going to show up on December, and they will not see you for the next 1 year, and then you're going to come back, and that cycle continues. And that that thing has a very negative effect to these kids, because they are going to develop attachment disorders, and in their little minds they're like, these relations never last for long. So even in their adulthood, they will have problems maintaining healthy relationships, because from the time they were young, they were used to relationships that come and go. So I think if you are not planning on visiting these kids for every now and then, I think you should not go. And you should not go. Just send your contributions to the management, and then just continue with your lives. And I don't know what you think about it. Do you think it's a good idea to visit them once a year, or do you think it's a good idea to just send your contribution and don't show up in their lives, unless of course you are planning on being a constant in their lives? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. The second thing that I've learned this week is there's a profession known as psychodermatology. That was a new thing to me. We know the skin is the biggest organ in our bodies, and once you have issues with your skin, you are prone to having psychological issues like depression and all the things that come with depression, anxiety, self-esteem issues. So I think having a person who is able to treat your dermatology issues using psychotherapy, I think that's a cool thing, because you can talk about your feelings, and then you can give them your dermatology issues, and they're going to bring them together and come up with that solution. What do you think? Unfortunately, there's no such a degree like psychodermatology. You either have to be a dermatologist or a medical doctor who has who has an interest in dermatology, and then you can learn psychodermatology. I hope I am making sense. The third thing that I've learned this week is about animals, or is it insects? So today my son was doing his homework, and they had this column of of males of male animals and insects. So there was something like drone, and I was like, drone? So I had to Google, and what I learned is that a drone is a male bee that does not work, but it can fertilize the queen, the queen bee, of course. And there is another one. There's drone. Another meaning for drone is it for drone or of drone is a person who does not do much work or useful work, but they live off other people, like they don't want to work, or whatever they are doing does not sustain them, but they want to have a good life, so they live off others. And the fourth thing, is that the fourth one? Yeah, there's an app that I discovered the other day. I had taken a picture of flowers in a hotel washroom, and I didn't know what they were. So as I was looking for its name, I discovered this app called PlantNet, where you upload your pictures, your flower pictures or plant pictures, and then they bring you the name of that flower. So the fifth thing that I learned this past 1 week is about this YouTuber who uses hypn hypton hypnotherapy. Hypnotherapy should be hypnotherapy. She's called Marisa Peer, and she's got a lot of videos on self confidence, and a whole lot of other videos. And so in one of the videos, I learned that everyone is born with self confidence, but along as life goes on, we lose our confidence, and that's why babies or kids are so persistent when they want something. I'm sure we've all had an encounter where, as a kid, whether your child or a niece or a nephew asked for ice cream, and they bugged you for the next 30 minutes or even 1 hour, because they believe it's their right and they should get it. They don't care how, they just want whatever they want. And I mean, for mothers and dads, your kid has woken up at 3 in the AM, and you just had to wake up and attend to them. That's how we should be. It doesn't matter what's going to happen, but we should have self-confidence like that of a child. And even the good Bible says, only those who what does it say about kids? Only those whose hearts are like those of kids will enter the kingdom of heaven. Can I hear an amen? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for coming here, for subscribing, for liking, for commenting, and for all those good things. So don't forget to subscribe and to like, because it helps my channel. And see you around. Bye.